Hello, welcome to the Arcanos Academy training session. Today we will see the DMR DHF process flow. The release of a DMR or DHF acts as a freezing point in the DMR DHF record history. In the newly created customers, this process flow is predefined to release the DMR DHF using e-signature. Let us see the transition. Initially, when a DMR is created, the status is new. After that, it is under review when the DMS items are linked to it and is under approval. After under review, the next state is under ECO. To release the DMR or DHF, user need to move DMR from status under ECO to released. This is the basic process flow of DMR DHF. User can change the process flow to any other transition that best fits as per the requirement. Since DMR changes are going through ECO process flow, it is recommended to connect the DMR to an ECO record at this point. The cover letter of the DMR shall include the list of all changes between one revision of DMR to the next one. To view the cover letter, click on the cover letter icon. User can see all the details, and in the change revision history, user can see all the change with revision number, change number, date, status, and the change description. User can view the released cover letter too. To access the cover letter, user need to navigate to More Action in the right corner of the page. Select the record and then navigate to Export Electronic Form, Download File, Last Upload. The result display all the transitions in this manner. Thank you.